Welcome to Parul's lab.
Hello kids, let us do a simple experiment today to show that air is needed for burning. For this experiment, we'll need two candles which I have fixed on a tray, a matchbox and a tall glass. So let's get started. First, I light the candles. Now I'll place this glass on one of these candles and let's see what happens. As you can see, this candle is put out. Did you notice that it wasn't put out immediately? It took some time because there was some air in the glass. If we were to remove the glass just when the candle is about to be put out, you would notice that it would continue to burn. We'll meet again soon with another experiment. Bye for now.